Hello reviewer, in this video we're going to talk about alerts. Here we are on your Bark for Schools dashboard. The most important thing here is the red alerts to review box. This will show you how many alerts haven't been reviewed yet. To open these alerts, simply click on the alerts to review button. Let's take a moment to talk about severe alerts. These are alerts that are more severe in nature and need your attention quickly. You can tell an alert is severe because we will send you an email notification and you will see these at the top of your unreviewed alerts list with the severe marker on it. For our lower level alerts, these are alerts that have abuses present but don't necessarily require your immediate attention. These will be added to your dashboard for you to review when you get a moment. We suggest reviewing these alerts daily to avoid missing important alerts and to avoid alerts from piling up on your dashboard. You can tell an alert hasn't been reviewed yet by this new marker on the top left of the alert. To open an alert, simply click on it. Now let's break down an alert together. Here you'll see the student's name, email address, and organizational unit. Next, you'll see the platform and any other students involved in this content and the date and time the content was created. You'll see the abuses that are present and the content itself. Up here, you can share this alert with a reviewer. If it hasn't already been shared with the parents and parent portal is activated, you can share with the parents here, or you can save the alert for later. By clicking the More button, you can see the journey that this alert took, check for notes left by other reviewers, and leave notes yourself. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team at schools@bark.us for further assistance.